Hey guys, Happy New Year and welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Now we all want to eat a bit healthier this year. So today I'll be showing you 3 smoothies that's going to get you started on the right track. First one up is the mango butternut smoothie. I know when you think of butternut squash, smoothie does not come to mind, but trust me, this one is delicious. I needed to add just a bit more water to this mixture. You can use pineapples instead of mangoes, and this smoothie would still be delicious. Next up is our carrot orange smoothie. I used regular vanilla yogurt, but you can also use vanilla Greek yogurt instead. This orange and carrot smoothie is loaded with vitamin C. Next up is our cotton candy smoothie. Now this one is a mixture of cauliflower and strawberries. Cauliflower is high in fiber and B vitamins, while strawberries are very rich in antioxidants. And there you have it, guys. Our mango butternut smoothie, our carrot orange smoothie, and our cotton candy smoothie. I hope you give these a try. Let me know in the comment section below what your health and fitness goals are this year. The full recipes will be listed in the description box below. And as always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Tuesday and Friday when I post. Bye!